This is a Partner Point production. Okay, the first thing we're going to investigate as part of our How to SEO Your Site in 30 Minutes is what are the best search engine optimizers in the world doing and how do they do it? Now, the best optimized sites on the web, in my opinion, and I'm sure you might agree by the number of listings you see from these sites, would be Amazon.com, Wikipedia, and the New York Times. And we're going to take a look at some of the tricks that they use. And in particular, I'm going to take a look at, as an example, a search for Microsoft Dynamics CRM, which is a pretty tough term to rank for because it's pretty much dominated by Microsoft sites. But we can see, as usual, Wikipedia, as I'm sure everyone's familiar with, always tends to show up close to the top of the search listings. And we're going to take a look at why they do that. Now, interestingly enough, nobody really optimizes Wikipedia. It's rule-based wiki built with open source code, but the open source programmers built that code so that it automatically optimizes entries. And let's take a look at what they're doing here. So for the likely keyword for Wikipedia, they're putting their title tag, which if we go and look at the actual article on the site, this is where we go to if we click through. Okay, the title tag appears at the top of the code. I can look at the source. I'm sure you guys are familiar with that. But here it is. It appears at the top of the browser in the tab, Microsoft Dynamics CRM, and here we have it again as the title or the headline of the article. Now, also take a quick look here. This is what's going to appear in the snippet in the search result. So let's just take a look back at the search result. Here's the title tag. Here's the snippet. Okay. Notice the title tag is first before the name of the site. And you'll see a number of sites, big sites, doing that. Let's take a quick look at New York Times. Okay. Here's their typical article headline, and we go and look at the title tag. The headline is first, then the name of the site. Okay, a lot of people will put the name of the site first. The best search engine optimizers know you put the name of the site after. Google gives a higher rank in their algorithm for people who put the keywords, the critical keywords first in a search. And that's what it's all about when you're building a page, any page, whether it's an interior page or a home page. You want to do a little keyword research, maybe a lot of keyword research, but you want to pick a niche. You want to get it to show up high in search engine results. Okay, so let's go back and look quickly at the Wikipedia page and what it has. Similar to other top optimized pages on the web, you can see a lot of cross-linking on Wikipedia. Very important for big sites, even small sites. This is telling the search engines what's behind these links. The links are the key to internet search engine optimization, and what people don't realize is some of the best links can be internal from your own site. Okay, and so Wikipedia does plenty of this. Okay, let's take a look at the New York Times. Same thing, cross-linking. New York Times uses a very sophisticated form of cross-linking where each cross-link takes you into like a central repository of information. So here's a link to John Kerry. You're going to see this page is full of links to other articles about John Kerry. So the whole site is linked within itself. And this is what blogs do so well. That's why blogs show up so well in the search engine results as well, because there's a ton of cross-linking. Particularly if you structure the blog correctly and have your latest postings in your sidebar and some of your latest comments in your sidebar and your top categories in your sidebar, that cross-linking is going to get spiders deep into your site and let them know what's behind those links. And let's take a look at an Amazon page. This is just the computer and accessories category page. Again, cross-linking all over the place. And a lot of flat links, just straight flat links. You're going to see that in the New York Times as well. Up top, their navigation. These are all flat links. No fancy Java drop-downs, crazy Flash stuff, or GIF images. These are all straight flat links you're going to see in all the best sites. Same eBay, Amazon, even Google, Yahoo. tons of flat links. Okay, so let's take another look at the other part of search engine optimization, the most important part of the backlinks. Now here's a little backlink tool you can download for free off the web. SEObook.com is the site that has this little tool, and it's called Backlink Analyzer, and I've run it already for the page on Wikipedia to find out how it's ranking so well for Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Now typically a strong page with a high listing in a site is going to have hundreds of backlinks. But Wikipedia, because the site is so strong already within itself, all it needs is a few backlinks from its own pages. And so here we can see some of these links coming from other articles from Wikipedia. And these are some other backlinks, pages linking to the Wikipedia page. Now what's important, what people don't realize so much about backlinks, is it's critical what the link text is, especially for your own site. If we do an analysis with this little tool on your site, you're probably going to see a lot of the link text coming into your site is for your URL, your company name, things like that. It's really good if you know some of these people who are linking to you to change that link text to include some keywords. So here's a good example. We have the link text for this particular link to this Wikipedia page. And that's what this is all about here, is page. A lot of people get pages confused with sites. Google ranks pages, not sites. So here we have Microsoft CRM as the link text for there. And a couple other things you're going to want to look at in your backlinks, which this report does not show, is whether there's a no-follow attribute after the link. Most links from blogs have a no-follow tag put into the blog that sort of denudes them of their search engine juice, as it were. So we'll talk in the seminar about how the no-follow tags work and how you can avoid them and work with them and around them. Some other things in this report are the Alexa rank, which is the Google rank. Google rank of the page is very important. The stronger, the higher the Google rank, which is a scale that Google ranks sites from 1 to 10. The higher the Google rank of the site that's linking to you, the more powerful that link is going to be. And then, likewise, the fewer outbound links on a page that's linking to you, the better. So, if you're getting a backlink from a page that has 600 other links on it, other outbound links, it's not nearly as strong as from a page that only has like 1 or 2 outbound links. So that's a brief summary of what the basics of what we're going to cover in the session. There's a ton more details about how these strategies work, how to build backlinks, how to find keywords that are going to target the niches that you want, how to write description tags adequately for your site, for your meta tags, and plenty more actionable information will be given out on the webinar. Thank you very much.